Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Mariah with Mariah Makeup, and all of my social media, just so you're aware, is all Mariah Makeup except for Pinterest, which is Mariah G Makeup, and that is spelled Myrya. So when you get a chance, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that little bell down here so that you can get notifications anytime a video is uploaded. And so let's go ahead and get into it. I am doing a Boxycharm unboxing for the month, or from the month of July. We are in the end of August right now, and I still hadn't done my July unboxing. And I do also want to make sure that I mention that this video is not sponsored. I did purchase this with my own money to get and try out and everything. So this is not something that I'm getting anything for. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, the one thing I really do like is the little postcard, the postcard descriptions of the items that are in the box. And then you also get little coupons on the back as well for Wander and the Dr. Brandt, no, pharmacy, I'm sorry, the pharmacy product. And I believe the pharmacy product that was in here for the variation was the vitamin C mask, which I was actually kind of wanting to get. But I'm also really liking the Dr. Brandt Needles No More. Now, I have not used any of these items, and this is not going to be a try-on video or anything like that. This is simply an unboxing. And let's see here. So the Dr. Brandt Needles No More, No More Baggage, eye depuffing gel. I've heard really good things about this, and it does actually stay good for 12 months from the time that it is open. You put it on your eyes right here and everything to kind of get rid of that puffiness, and if you're really tired and you have circles under your eyes or anything like that, having any kind of discoloration like around there, and just kind of like to tighten it up and give it that better look. But one of the other things too that you have to keep in mind with this product is you might see results the first time that you use it, or even the second, third time that you use it. But the more that you use the product, as long as you use the product consistently, you will start to see overall improvements with the usage. And that is something that I've noticed that with a lot of other videos, people fail to mention in them. So I did want to make sure that I at least brought that up. Now this one, if you buy it outright, it's $42. So for a box that is $21, the regular Boxycharm box, not the Boxylux, the regular Boxycharm. Just for the box to be $21 and this being $42, this is right here obviously made it worth it, the box. So I think that's pretty awesome. Then there is the Cella Tantalizing Cove Eyebrow Cream. I'm not really sure how I feel about this. I mean, I've heard it's really good and that some people really do like it, but I would imagine that once the product is actually on the brush, that it may end up, being better and kind of thin out at the tip, but it just doesn't seem like it's a brush that I would use to try to do my eyebrows with. But I mean, it's possible. It's very possible. I mean, it does look like it could possibly thin out to be able to be used. Now, the other thing that you can do too is with this, it's got like a twist off cap, and the product is in the bottom of the cap. So you just use the brush and kind of dip it into that. I think it's actually really kind of a cool idea, especially like if you're traveling or something. I mean, it's not a bad idea. And then you also have a little rubber seal there as well to help kind of keep it sealed so that it doesn't dry out. I think that's a really good idea. I like that. So I will try that and see what I think, but it's not something that I'm probably not going to gravitate toward that a whole lot. Now, alright, the next item that I got in my box, which I'm actually kind of excited to try, is the Wander Beauty Unlatched Volume and Curl Mascara. It is good for 6 months from the time that it's opened, which I find really interesting because I've always been told that mascara goes bad after 3 months, or that you should replace it after 3 months. So it's kind of interesting to see that it would say 6 months on the container. So, but as you can see, like there's a lot of, put that down real quick. Oh, that helps so much more. So there you go. You see, like the shape of the wand is really odd. Like I've never seen one like be straight there at the base and then kind of curl up like that. But who knows? It might actually be beneficial to putting it on. But it has really decent pigment, and I've heard wonderful things about it. Now, in regards to the Cella eyebrow cream, which I actually forgot to mention, it is $26 by itself. The unlatched mascara is $24. So the Boxycharm box, the subscription to the regular monthly, is $21. So you've already got a product that's $42, one that's $24, and one that's $26. I mean, why? How could anybody not think that that is worth the money? So, next item. This is the Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Designed to work for all skin types, this luminous, paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror make this little compact in a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go. It retails for $11.99, so it's not really overly pricey, but it is inexpensive. It's more expensive than what I've ever been used to when I was younger, when I used to be involved in makeup. But the brush that comes in it has this little flip top here, and the color for this one is Desert Rose, which I think everybody got the same color of this one. I do like the color, and it's really nice. The pigmentation is decent as well. Like you can see, I'm not really going into it very hard, but that's there's a lot of light. There we go. It's actually a pretty decent pigment. I like it. Yeah, and it blends out really easily too, so I could see that being a decent one. But as far as the brush goes, even on the go and being out and about and stuff, and it's really kind of stiff. I mean, if you're gonna use a blush brush, I guess no, no, I would never use this. I don't, yeah. You could have done without putting this in the container. I like the blush, but the brush was kind of unnecessary. Um, but as far as the product itself goes, I do like it, and I like the fact that it's such a small, compact mirror. Yeah, and as you can see, I've got a lot of stuff going on down here on my desk. But yeah, the mirror is actually really decent. I like it. So this will be something that I probably gravitate toward. I do also have a Tarte blush, Amazonian Clay Tarte blush that I believe I got through Ipsy, but I really like that Tarte blush as well. But this one, this Note blush, I've heard wonderful things about. Now this palette, the Crown palette, I do really like the colors of this one. I have not used it yet. I actually haven't even swatched it yet. So with this palette, it comes with the mirror. It has a nice mirror in it. And then if we can kind of block the mirror, can you see those colors? They're wonderful colors, and I'll take that off so that it doesn't have that glare on it. And I love the color of the packaging. But the colors of this Fuego palette, they're fabulous. And I mean, they even look good. Beautiful. So I haven't swatched it, but I'm looking at these colors, just thinking, good lord, woman, I'm gonna love playing with this. So anyway, this palette, and see, originally on their website, when this box came out in July, before the box actually came out, um, on their website, it looked, if I remember correctly, they had that particular palette listed at $40 something, maybe 50 something, and then when it came out in the box, probably about, I want to say it was about a week or so after that, the price changed on the website to, I believe, $29. But from what it's saying on here, it does say $29.99. But I can tell you that before this came out in the box, in the Boxycharm, it was significantly higher than that. So that, for the price on that, did change quite a bit. But overall, I really like the items, and I'm looking forward to trying them and everything. But I can't really say that I'm going to use everything on a regular basis. And the Cella is probably only ever going to get used for traveling. I mean, which I don't do all that often. But I am going to give it a try and see what I think about it, and it will end up being used and reviewed for a try-on at a later time, as will the rest of these items. So other than that, I would say, it was definitely worth the money for this box, even though there was an item in there that I really don't feel like I'm going to gravitate toward. But overall, I liked it. So Boxycharm, you rock. Thank you.